Welcome everyone to our channel AI Chronicles. We're ecstatic to have you join us on this exciting journey as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we're going to explore the latest developments in AI technology, shedding light on its impact and influence on our everyday lives and the world at large. From breakthrough innovations to ethical challenges, we cover it all. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the ever-evolving realm of AI. Stay tuned as we kickstart our discussion with a detailed overview of the recent Stanford AI Index report, which provides intriguing insights into the progress of AI and its effects on society. How does artificial intelligence continue to evolve and impact our world? The answer lies in the recent Stanford AI Index report, which provides an in-depth look at AI's progress and its effects on society. The report reveals fascinating insights. For instance, it highlights an unprecedented surge in AI adoption across various sectors. From healthcare and education to finance and entertainment, AI has become ubiquitous, transforming the way we live, work, and interact. Artificial intelligence has also become a key player in the global economy. Investments in AI startups have skyrocketed, with companies betting big on AI's potential to drive growth and innovation. Countries like Saudi Arabia are making strategic moves to become leading AI tech hubs, indicating the growing geopolitical importance of AI. Yet the report also underscores the need for careful governance. As AI systems become more advanced, they pose existential risks that demand thoughtful regulation and oversight. The report calls for a balance between fostering innovation and ensuring safety and ethical use of AI. The report also shed light on AI's role in climate change. AI is not just a tool for mitigating climate change. It's also a significant contributor, with data centers consuming vast amounts of energy. Addressing this paradox is one of the key challenges facing the AI community. The Stanford AI Index report is not the only major development in the AI landscape. Google recently unveiled its infinite context LLMs, a new kind of language model that can process and understand vast amounts of text. This breakthrough could revolutionize everything from search engines and translation services to voice assistants and chatbots. Meanwhile, the Megalodon efficient transformer pre-training represents another significant stride in AI. This method allows AI models to learn more quickly and efficiently, paving the way for more powerful and cost-effective AI systems. In summary, the world of artificial intelligence is evolving at a breakneck speed. The Stanford AI Index report, Google's infinite context LLMs, and Megalodon efficient transformer pre-training are just a few examples of the exciting developments shaping this field. As we continue to unlock AI's potential, we must also navigate its challenges and ensure it benefits all of humanity. As we marvel at the fast-paced breakthroughs in AI, we must also acknowledge the challenges that come with these advancements. AI, like any technology, is a double-edged sword. While it has the potential to greatly improve our lives, it also brings about concerns regarding data privacy, job displacement, and ethical dilemmas. In addition, there is the challenge of ensuring that the benefits of AI are distributed equitably and don't exacerbate existing social inequalities. However, the future of AI is not all doom and gloom. Many organizations and researchers are working tirelessly to ensure AI is developed and used responsibly. In the upcoming years, we can expect to witness more groundbreaking developments in the field of AI, as well as continued discussions on its implications. So, thank you for watching AI Chronicles. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in AI, don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. See you in the next video.